Hello everyone, Alex D'Angelo back with another ceiling fan video. What I have for you today is another ceiling fan in our new house. This is installed in my bedroom. This is a 52-inch oil over bronze Hampton Bay Oakley ceiling fan. Once again, just like in the previous video, thank you so much to whoever commented what all the fans were. I appreciate that. And yeah, this fan is installed, like I said, in my new bedroom. Almost settled in pretty much. But yeah, so, and like I said, sorry for the mess, but that's beside the point. So, this fan is oil over bronze finish with some honey oak blades. That's what that looks like. It looks very nice. So, yeah, we'll go ahead and demonstrate the fan here. Start off with the light. That works, obviously. I got 2 LEDs and 2 CFLs. So, pretty nice. Now for the fan, we'll start it up on low. And that noise you heard is just the AC kicking on, because we got central air in our house, so that's what that is. Get to medium. Medium speed is the speed I keep it on the most. For the past couple of days, that's the speed I've kept it on. Just because I felt like having it on high would be a little bit overkill, since my bed is right underneath the fan, and I didn't want to be freezing cold. Combined with the fan going on full throttle with the AC running as well. So I feel like that just would have been a little bit overkill. Even though we do live in Texas, and even though we now live in Texas, and it's like 100 degrees outside during the summer all the time, but that's outside. In the house, we have more than enough AC to keep the house cool, and I feel like having the fan on high at night when it's at its coolest, with the fan running on high and the AC running, I feel like it'd be a little bit overkill. For the fan being right above me, so yeah. So yeah, this is the speed that I normally keep it on when I'm sleeping. Okay, now I'll kick it up to high speed. There is, however, another reason why I don't run this fan on high too much. Because it wobbles like a son of a bitch. And the mounting hardware also creaks, which is a little bit scary, to say the very least. Yeah, it definitely is not a pleasant sound, to say the least. I don't know if the box is loose or the fan's just that out of clock, but as you can see, the chains are dancing around from the wobble. It does blow a good breeze though, but like I said, with the AC, it's not really needed to run on full throttle. and obviously I don't like that it wobbles like this, so. And with that creaking sound, that definitely is not pleasant sound to hear when I'm sleeping, so I just keep it on medium. Here's the light one more time. Alright, now go ahead and turn the fan off now. Anyways, guys, there you go. That is my new bedroom ceiling fan, 52-inch oil bronze Hampton Bay Oakley ceiling fan. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye, guys.